Hello everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to create a BigCommerce store from scratch. So first thing we need to sign up for a BigCommerce account. So you're going to put your first name, last name, your phone number, your email address, and a password of your choice. Next, you're gonna put your store name. It says here you can change this at any time, so I'm just gonna put anything and choose what's the size of your online business. So, and where should your store be hosted? So click I'm not a robot and create your store. So it says here your store will be ready in 1 minute, so let's just wait for that little bit. Alright, store is now ready. So I'm going to choose here if you have an existing website, so I don't have. And what will you be selling? So just going to be choosing whatever you have and what best describes how you currently sell your products. So you can choose whichever fits for you. So click on proceed to store. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.